Business News You Can Use, a monthly segment on DBTV that highlights the business community in Deer Park. My name is Debbie Westbeld, and I'm the Economic Development Administrator for the City of Deer Park. And today we are featuring K&K Yoga Studio, located at 2318 Center Street, Suite 113, just north of the intersection for Center Street and San Augustine. The owners are local residents Kristen and Kalea, who offer a wide variety of yoga classes, including beginning classes, chair yoga, restorative, and flow. They also offer exercise classes like body pump, core workouts, DDP, and fire abs. You will also enjoy their nutrition classes, coaching, support groups for weight loss, and personal training. Don't miss out on their current special where you get your first class free, then sign up for 30 days for only $39.95. Click on their Facebook page, K&K Yoga Health Fitness, to see the class schedule or call them at 281-930-7033. They also have a great website at www.k-kyoga.org. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next month on Business News You Can Use.